Hello everyone, so welcome back to Brand New Motor Concept QuickBooks Desktop Mastery course. Now today we are going to set up a company file, how to create a company in QuickBooks. Now, so let's dive into the uh, practical section now. I'm going to launch my QuickBooks Desktop. Now, when you launch your QuickBooks, and you on the home page, you're likely to see this dialog box to create a new company or to open the existing company. As you can see, here we have a blank list. Having a blank list here means that we've not opened a new company in the recent time. The recent company you open will show up on this list. However, when you have a list and you want to hide or remove any of the list, we use the option here called edit list. If you have a list here, you select the list and you click open. This will open the company file that you are going to work on, which must be in QBW. Also, when you have, perhaps you just install another version of QuickBooks on your system, and you want to open the existing files or folders that you have, you can also use the Find a Company File option here. Select a Find Company. This will open some company file that you already have on your system. So you can see, searching for the company files. All these are the different company files that exist on this laptop. So you select which of the company you want, then click on open. It's going to open that for you. Now, to create a company, we have create a new company, open or restore an existing company. Here, if you select this, it's going to take you back to where you're going to select which of the company you need. Now, you remember during the last course, we talked about different kind of data type. Here we have, when you want to open a file that is a company file, you select this option. Then you click on next. Where you want to restore a backup copy, that .qbb file, you select this. You want to restore a portable file, you select restore a portable file, and you want to restore an accountant copy, you select this. So these are the 4 different types of file that you are likely to work on. So in this case, let's say we want to restore a company file. You select company file, then select next. So by next, it takes you to where you have your data. So in this case, so let's select where my data type is. We have from the local drive, you can see user, public. So I have some in the public document here. So now here we have the company file. And during the section where we talk about data file type, we also talk about some other file that will be together with your file, with your company file in the same location. Where we talk about .nd, TLG, and .dsn. You can see DSN file. BMC Venture is a company. The venture here is DSN file. We also have the ND file, and we have TLD file. So you select the you select the QBW file and click on open. So this will also open a new company for you. Also, you can open a sample company. Perhaps you want to look at how your company is going to look like, or a sample company to practice with. So you select from a sample company. Whichever one you selected will be downloaded from the internet, and you keep going. Now, so let's go back to create a new company. How do you create a company in QuickBooks? Select create a company. So in this case, I'm going to select someone else and click. Now we have some option here. You can see we have two options. We have start setup, and we have detailed start. This control the setup and fine tune. In some cases, you can also see extra express start from here. So the startup, I'm going to show you how the two companies is going to look like, how the two setup is going to look like. When you have an express startup, you just have a single page. You fill in the form, then you continue the other setup within the system. But when you select the control, the detailed startup, that is, this one is like it's going to be like easy startup, and it's going to give you some kind of quizzes that you fill, and you submit all those quizzes. With that, QuickBook will set up your company for you, and you move on. Then we also have create a company file based on existing company. Perhaps you already have a company you want to create based on that company. You select create. With this, you locate the existing company that you already have in your system, and QuickBooks will use this company to create a new company for you. So now let's quickly select the startup first. Let's use this option first and see how it's going to look like. Click on startup. Now here you're going to select the name of the company. We are going to select the company we are creating for this purpose of this class is a BMC fittings and supplies and supply limited. So which industry? You select the industry, and in this case, let's say we don't know which industry existed here. You select help me choose. When you select this, you're going to see the sample of companies that are existing in QuickBooks. You select which of the company. Let's look at general product-based company. And when you select this, so click on OK, it will show you the sample of company, that sample of account that you are going to have in the system. Click on OK. Then you select the business type, so partnership, whichever one. And we have, let's say, corporation. The admin email, you select an email address for the admin. So we have nurture. Okay, let's say bra to multi concepts at gmail.com. No space. So this asterisk portion are the most compulsory part of this. So here we're going to change this. You're not in US, so by change to others. Then we select create company. So when you click on create company, it's going to create a new company for you. I hope that's okay. You can preview your settings there, and this is how it's going to look like. The chart of account. Here also you can select or remove whichever of these you think you are not going to need at the to need in your account. So this is not the final server. You can also select, you can still create and add the chart of account when we start using the system or using the company. So for now, I'm going to cancel this. You can also we have a company file location where you want to change the location where you want the file of the company to reside. You can click on change location and select where you want the file to be located or to domicile at. So that is that. So you can cancel this now, and we are not previewing anything again. Go to click on back, and that's all. That's how to use the Express Startup. So in the next class, we're going to look at how to create a detailed start to create a company in QuickBooks Desktop. Thank you for your time.